What's up, YouTube? Now, Mr. Fix, Mr. DIY, myself. I got a Samsung 60-inch TV that went out. It just stopped showing. I still had power to it because the red light came on, but it wouldn't come on. The TV wouldn't show anything. So I'm like, man, Comcast then messed up my TV. But recently we had a storm and we had a lightning strike that hit right near the house, and it kind of blew my motherboard. And I looked up on YouTube, found some things, and I ordered a new motherboard, and there we have it. So I'm gonna show y'all some things that I did to kind of troubleshoot to see what how I was able to fix it. Alrighty, first things first, I had to remove all of the screws on the back of the TV. All right, and what I did was I just placed them in the vicinity of where they were, and some of the smaller screws I just kept them in. So let me flip it over and show you guys. All right, so on here you see these screws. We had to remove all of these screws here, here, here. So it's 4 on the side, 3 at the top, the very top. I set those off on the floor, and then 4 on the other side over here. And then you have these in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's all. And then you have the 4 where if you don't have your TV mounted, you have a little stand right here, but you have to remove these 4 as well. I know it's probably bad quality video, but I can edit it. All right, so let me go ahead and take off the back and let you see what to do. All right, so I watched a video and they told me to detach one of these, actually like one of these cords that to connect the motherboard to the power supply. They told me to detach this one. So when we detach this, when the power is on and it still lights up, we know that the power supply is good. We don't have to worry about fixing any of these parts on the power supply. So I'm gonna do that just to show you guys what it looks like. All right, so I've connected the TV to the power supply. So as you guys can see, I have my power supply in. I plugged that in. Once you unplug this and you see these little lights come on, you know that your power supply is good and you have a bad motherboard. All right, and the motherboards, they do not cost a lot of money. I bought this one for $23 and I just reinstalled it. This was my old motherboard or main board, whatever you want to call it. This went bad because of the storm. The lightning struck hit and it started off with blowing the HDMI, then it blew the second HDMI, and then next thing you know, the TV wouldn't even show anything. So this main board was about $26, $30 at the most. Bought it off of Amazon. I'll leave those links in there so that you can go and purchase one. Make sure you have the same information on that little barcode there. But I'm gonna go ahead and plug this back in to the power supply now that I've already connected the new main board, and see if this TV works. All right, you guys, I just went ahead and I turned it, put the power supply back in. I put all the screws back in with my power drill. Here we go. And now I turned it on. Let's see, what does it look like? All right, So I had to pause it because this TV is heavy. But if you guys can see, my 60-inch TV is back in business. So I have my 60-inch Samsung TV. It was not coming on. One thing that was this red light. It was blinking and it never would come on, but we're back in business. So I just saved, like Geico say, I just saved about $350 because my wife was already talking about, okay, well, it's time for a new TV. No, ma'am. I like to save money. Mr. DIY. Thank y'all. Please subscribe, share. Let me know what you think.